If you're new to Audible, the app can seem a little overwhelming at first. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it. Let's see how the Audible app works in this step-by-step tutorial. How to download and install the Audible app. You can download the Audible app from the App Store or Google Play Store. When you open the Audible app for the first time, sign in using your Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, creating one is free and takes a few minutes. Start Audible's free trial using the first link in the video description and get one free audiobook plus 1 month of membership. Understanding Audible app sections. The app has 4 main sections that are accessible from the bottom navigation bar: Home, Library, Discover, and Profile. Let's take a look at each section. Home highlights the best titles from different categories, recommendations based on your interests, and listening history, sales and deals, and new releases. Library is where you will find all of your Audible content in one place, including audiobooks and podcasts. Any audiobook you purchase on Audible or Amazon is visible in the Library section in the Audiobooks subsection. You can download and listen to a title in the Library section with a single tap. Tapping the 3-dot menu next to a title gives you access to more options, including title details, author details, sharing options, clips and notes, and rate and review. You can also add a title to favorites or one of your lists, or hide it from your library. Tap the filter option to filter titles in your library using different criteria. Discover helps you find your next listen. You can browse content by different categories or use the search option to search for a specific title. Profile gives you access to the membership details, badge collection, listening history, and more. You can also tap the settings icon here to access more settings. I will explain the settings later. How to play audiobooks in the Audible app. Any audiobook you purchase in the app, on the Audible website, or on Amazon appears in the Library section of the Audible app. You can tap the book cover to download it on your device and start listening. Let's go through the key controls on the playback screen. Tap the play button on the cover to play or pause the audiobook. Use rewind and forward controls to skip back or ahead by 30 seconds. You can adjust the skip time in settings. Use the previous and next buttons to move between chapters, or jump directly to any chapter by tapping Select Chapter. Tap the speed option to increase or decrease the narration speed. Use car mode for easier listening while driving. The timer option lets you set a sleep timer from 5 minutes up to 1 hour. You can also choose end of chapter or set a custom timer. Tap the clip option to save an audio clip. You can also add a note to it if you'd like. Clips make it easy to revisit your favorite quotes, conversations, or memorable moments. The PDF option gives you access to any PDF that comes with the audiobook. Tap Clips and Notes to view your saved clips and notes. The Title Details option opens the audiobook page with all its details. Tap the Listen Log option to access the listening logs for the title. The Share option gives you the option to share the title on your social media accounts. You can also use the Connect to a Device option to connect to Bluetooth speakers and other external devices. The Minimize option minimizes the player screen and takes you back to your library. Tap the More menu to access the additional options. Audible app settings and customizations. Most users miss. To access the Audible app settings, go to the Profile section and tap the settings icon at the top right. Here you can customize your listening experience with a variety of settings. Let me explain the important ones here. The Data and Storage section allows you to set download quality. You can choose between standard and high quality. The high-quality downloads will take more storage space on your device. You can also enable the Auto Download option here to automatically download newly purchased titles on your device, and the Auto Remove option to automatically delete the completed titles from your device. Go to Player Settings to customize your playback experience. You can change the skip forward and back times here. Customize how the player displays the remaining listening time in a book, change sleep timer settings, and change the default narration speed. The theme section allows you to choose between light and dark themes. The marketplace option allows you to switch between different marketplaces. The notification settings allow you to change how you want to receive notifications from Audible. The customer support section lets you contact Audible support if you need help with your account or purchases. The membership details section has all your subscription details and your next billing date. How to purchase an Audible book in the Audible app. To buy a book in the app, tap the Discover tab in the bottom navigation bar. You can either browse Audible's catalog by category or use the search option to find a specific book. For this example, I want to buy The Mountain Is You by Brianna Wiest. I'll tap the search icon and type the name of the book I want to purchase. In this case, The Mountain Is You. From the search results, I will tap the book cover. On the book details page, I can buy the title with a credit, purchase it with cash, or tap the More menu to add it to my wish list. As a Premium Plus member, I also see a 30% discount applied to the cash price. I'll go ahead and use 1 credit to purchase this book. Once purchased, the title appears in the library section, where I can tap the cover to download it and start listening right away. After it's downloaded, you can listen offline anytime. No internet connection needed. You can also purchase Audible books from the Audible website or Amazon, and they'll automatically appear in the library section of the Audible app. That's it. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Audible tips. Thanks for watching.